everybody, I'm Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and today we are here in the outdoor studio in Florida, and I have this cool pet drinking fountain. I'm gonna unbox it. Well, we're gonna take it out of the plastic because I already unboxed it. So it's pretty cool. We had one before. Our cats loved it, and I thought, you know what? I think it's time. They had another one. Okay, so I've taken it all apart so you can see all the components. So first I'll start by saying you have 3 filters that come with it. You have the wall plug for the USB that you can plug in here, USB into here, which is great because sometimes they don't provide these. I always love when these are provided. Okay, so I want to show you all of the compartments that we have. We have the main water tank. It's going to show a max fill level where you're going to put the max. This here is your pre-filter. The water is going to come up through there. This part is going to go here. And you're going to see that there's an indent, which is going to match this. Put that in. You're going to take one of your filters, place these right side up. Prior to putting this in, make sure you run it through some water, get off the excess charcoal before you put it in. Also give the water dish, the full thing, a nice rinse out, clean it up first. So after you have your filter in, then you're gonna put this little part here, and then the cute little flower is gonna go on top. So then you're gonna have the water coming out on the top, and this is where they're gonna drink out of. We're going to plug it in so it's going to work. So let me go set it up. I'm going to show you how the water's running, and then we're going to go get we're going to find Kona or we're going to find one of the cats and see if they like it. Ooh, how cute is that? Look, Kona. Do you want a drink? Oh, you like that, huh? You like your new fountain?